A secret system that multi-million-dollar credit repair business owners are using, what we call the credit repair lead system. It tells you exactly how much money you should be spending on Facebook ads. When you understand and learn this principle, you're gonna know exactly how many leads you're going to need a month, and you're going to know how much it's going to cost a month. So before we can really start using that system, we have to understand a couple things. How much money do you want to make a month? Some of us want to make 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, you know, $250,000. It just depends. So let's say you wanted to make $10,000 a month. A couple things you have to understand is you need, first and foremost, each client, no matter if you're doing a monthly subscription, no matter if you're doing flat fee, whatever, each client's worth on average a certain amount. So let's say if you're selling your credit repair program, everything basically in total is 1K, right? So one person's worth 1K, all right? One person is worth $1,000, all right? Now, I want you to think about this. It could be worth, you know, one of your clients could be worth $300. One of your clients could be worth $200. You know, a lot of you guys got different price points, $97 a month, all types of stuff. But you want to kind of have a defined, on average, this person is worth this much. You know, and if you don't have that, then you need to put that together in your business so that you're able to understand how much money you're going to be making consistently and how many clients that you're going to need. So each month, we need to do 10 clients, right? All right. At the end of that month, we're going to make $10,000. 10 clients, right? So, through my mentorship on my sales and marketing with credit repair companies, teach you how to close a little bit more high ticket, and you convert anywhere between 40 to 60% on a closed deal. But let's say you're not really good at closing and you close at a 20%, right? 20%. So that if you need 10 clients and on an average, you're closing at a 20% conversion rate. So that means that you, out of all the demos you do, you only close 20%. That tells me that you're gonna need to have 50 demonstrations every month. That means 50 people need to show up on the phone every month. You need to do a demonstration. And so with that being said, that's 50 demos a month. That's if you're horrible. So the thing is, let's say that what we teach in my mentorship and my mastermind program is how to close on a higher price point and get a higher conversion rate than 20%. Most of my students close at 40 or 60%. But knowing that all your leads aren't becoming demos, you know, you have to understand that all your leads that you collect on Facebook will not become demos. When you go through our system, you actually go and log into our system. We show you how to turn a lead into a demo, and the average conversion rate is 40%. So let's say, 40%. So you need 50 demos, but you need to figure out how many leads you need a month to even get those demos, because only 40% is going to show up. So, which is 125 leads. So this is very important. You need 125 leads every month. Out of the 125 leads, 50 are you're going to actually talk to. Out of 50, if you close 20%, you're going to get your 10, which if you sell them at $1,000, that's $10,000. But for some of you guys that don't sell at $1,000, let's say you sell at $300, it would be totally different. Now, let me show you what it would look like if you sold your services for $200, $300, right? So let's go on a new board, new whiteboard. Now what we're gonna do, same thing. We're going to make our triangle, boom, boom, boom. All right. You got your leads, got your demos, and your close. So if it was $300, new whiteboard, price point on average was $300. Boom. Now you gotta, and your goal, 10,000, 10K for the month. The math on that is 300. That's 165 demos. And then 40% of that is around 366 leads a month. Now that we know how many leads we need, to accomplish our $10,000 goal. Now we're about to find out how much money we're going to have to spend on Facebook ads. The first case is we're going to need if we're selling it at a price point of $300, and we're going to need 366 leads. If it's at a 1K price point, we're only going to need 165 leads, right? Does that make sense to you guys? So now you're asking yourself, well, how much should I pay for leads? On average, when you're running Facebook ads, it's going to cost you anywhere between $4 to $6 per lead. And if you're really good, you can get it lower, but on average, a quality good lead is $4 to $6. Now, what do we have to do? Let's just say it's $4. So we would go and say, okay, well, what's 4 times 366? 366 times 4. And I'm not going to do that because I'm going to use a calculator, but still, this is how you would understand this. 366 times 4, 366 times 4, wow, about $1,464. $1,464 that month. Now, what is 164 times 4? Wow. So 165 times 4, that's about 165 times 4. That's only 660, right? Kind of get a good estimate of how many leads, how much money you're going to spend a month per lead. Now, let me share with you something that we teach in our mentorship in our masterclass that can change everything. Now, number one, what would change this whole scenario is if you could increase your sales rate. So instead of closing at 20%, if you let's say you closed at 40% or 60%, that means that would change everything. You won't have to spend so much, and that's your sales process. So, or you just increase your price. So it's two of the things that is going to really drive how much money you're going to use for Facebook ads is your price point that you're selling your service for, so that you can be profitable. Because the lower you sell your service for, the harder it is to be more profitable, because you're going to be spending money on Facebook ads and everything else. So the more money you spend, the more money your service is, the easier it is to get those leads in and make sales and be more profitable, or you just be a better salesperson. If you need more information, or if you want to join our Done For You marketing program, make sure you click on the link below. So click on the link below, go to our website, fill out application. If you qualify, I'll give you a call, and if it's a good fit, me and my team will start doing your marketing. So I look forward to seeing you guys. Please leave a comment, subscribe, like, do whatever you need to do, and share it to someone that might need this advice. This is exactly how much money you're going to need to spend on Facebook ads for your credit repair business in 2022.